All right, if you've lived here a long time, you know what to expect when winter weather hits. But if you're one of the many new homeowners in our area, there are a few things you need to know. So our Nikki Hauser headed to Jolton to learn how you can best prepare your home.
This hardware store isn't just a hardware store. Jolton Hardware, Feed, and Pharmacy is also a cafe and a music venue. Ahead of the snowstorm this week,
I'm saying 95% chance. What do y'all think?
Chris Hauser says supplies on the hardware side are running low.
So sleds, I got a few left, and shovels, I got a very few left, and ice melt, I got about 30 bags left.
Aside from stocking up on the essentials, she recommends 3 things before this weekend. 1, protect your faucets, either with a faucet protector or the drip method.
You want to let some faucets drip if you can't cover them.
2, make sure your outdoor pipes don't freeze.
So you want to get them like a foam cover, which everybody has, those little things that just pop over them.
3, think ahead. If the electricity goes out, have a generator or another heat source to keep you warm.
Backup plans, your propane tanks are filled. Kerosene heaters, which we're out of.
As for other tips and tricks, well, Chris says she owns the hardware store, but she's not an expert.
Call your father, or look at, do some research.
As for this weekend's shows, they're still on the calendar. So when you stop by the store, you might be greeted with a classic Nashville welcome.
Again, for those folks who've lived here a while, Nikki, it's common sense. Plus, they're not surprised to see music there being played in Nashville. We got a lot of new neighbors moving in, so we want to just remind them what to be prepared for.
Right, it's a growing population, so we want to make sure everyone knows what they're doing. Hopefully your home is prepared.
Yep, we're all prepared, and stick with us. We'll help you through it all.
Exactly.